you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Y'all are gonna see my room. Don't mind it, okay? I am in the process of moving, okay? I'm in the process of moving. And also, don't mind my voice. I was a little under the weather and now it's just like congestion and whatnot. So that's why I sound like this, all horsey and stuff. Now that that's on, we are about to, well, welcome to the vlog. We're about to go and we are going to get some stuff together. We're going to go do some return and we're gonna go get some containers because I need containers ASAP. No Rocky. Let's go get in the car and we'll talk more.
I just want a roughneck nigga on the top. You just want to see me on the
You guys just saw me return or send something back to Fashion Nova. I ordered some shoes for my graduation and they are way too small, and like they're not too small, it's just like the part of it is just they're just so bad. I'll try to insert a picture of them. They work for my pictures, but as far as graduation goes, I can't do it. Now, let me tell you guys what I gotta do. I have to return some stuff to Walmart, Sally's, go to UPS to return some stuff to Shein. I wanna say that's it. Also, I haven't eaten. It's 2:53. I was hoping I was gonna be like out doing stuff by like 1:30, but unfortunately, I didn't do that and I needed to charge my camera because I don't have another battery for my camera, which I feel like I should get another one because me only having one is low-key like so annoying, because when my camera is dying, when my battery is dying, like, and I don't have a backup, I can't continue filming because I never run out of SD storage. I only run out of freaking battery. So I really want some Popeyes. So we're gonna go to Fort Wainwright, which is the base, the army base here. I'm hoping that they have mac and cheese and stuff too. I want to go to Starbucks low-key. I'm kind of becoming a Starbucks girly because I tried matcha for the first time yesterday and matcha is actually really good. Matcha is actually pretty darn good, so I think I'm gonna get me a little matcha from Starbucks. But first we have to eat because if I don't eat I'm gonna pass out. It's 2:55. I hope to make it to Fort Wainwright before like everybody starts coming in the BX and stuff. I don't want to be seen because I'm gonna get my food and I'm gonna eat it in the car. I don't want to be seen by nobody. It's Monday. Happy Monday, y'all. Jam session. Let's go.
Got a white boy on my roster. He be feeding me pasta and lobster. I got hoes. Pull up to the spot, let it rain on your skin. You know what it is, real nigga.
See, already pulling up to the gate and I just see so many cars coming out. I don't know what time the army be getting off work, but I'm assuming it's like, you know, 4:30, maybe 3:30, 4.
How's it going?
Hi.
Wainwright. Yo, take care now.
Thank you too. And I can't wait to get my matcha. I do like matcha. I'm not gonna get like a whole like a big one. I get the little small one, you know what I'm saying? But I don't even know what matcha is really supposed to do, like what it is or whatever. But I heard it's good for your like insides. It's good for like you to for digestion, I think. Girl, I don't know. Child, it is so many cars. It is so many cars out here, so I'm gonna have to go inside, get this food, and come back out. So I'll be right back, guys, cause can't do it. Can't do it. Bag secured. Okay, y'all, so we got the mac and cheese. We got the chicken nuggets and the mac and cheese. And I did end up getting fries. I know, so fat. So I'm gonna eat.
Like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. What? I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, on, baby, don't play with it. Just pay it. Spin or pay it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. It's when they come to me, they'll play with it. See, on me, it is something that I stay with. The body, stay really nothing to play with. Steady, and when I ran down.
Hi, can I have a grande matcha latte? Can I get it ice? Can I have it with 2 pumps of vanilla and 2 pumps of classic and sweet cream?
Yeah, you want the foam or just drink maker?
Oh, you can mix it in, please.
Come on to get dangerous. Step like bimbos. To my timbo. Toes, no one ain't playing games.
So guys, I'm with my work coworker. What are you?
What?
Are you my coworker?
Bestie coworker.
No.
Hey guys, so I'm back home. I think last you guys saw me get my matcha and it was so delicious. But I should show you guys what I got from Ulta because I forgot to tell y'all I was gonna go to Ulta, but let me show you guys what I got. Let's do a little Ulta haul. A little haul from Ulta for the girlies. I didn't even get to you guys are crooked. I didn't even, how about we focus on me? I didn't even, this light in the back, let's go over here. I didn't even get to tell you guys that, I didn't even get to show you guys me going into the UPS store, but I did return that stuff, or into Sally's. It was just too much going on. So I did go to Sally's and return something, and then I went to the UPS store and returned something. And then in Walmart, you guys saw me get my containers because I did need those. But you guys saw me in Ulta, but you didn't see what I got, okay? So it's not even like anything too crazy. I got the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. I heard this stuff is like really good for your bikini area, so I'm gonna try it out. It's like dermatologist tested. I got another sponge. I got the the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Density Makeup Sponge. It says 5 functions in 1 sponge, so it says blend, conceal, sculpt, set, finish. Perfect for creams, liquids, and powder foundation. It's like this. Never seen it before, but hopefully it works because I needed a new sponge. Cheaper than them other sponges from, what's that brand? Beauty Blender and like all them. Anyway, I ran out of my Tree Hut scrubs. I swear I thought I had so many more left, but I guess I used them and I didn't even notice. So I got the Tree Hut Pink Hibiscus Sugar Scrub. I got this one. It smells really good. And I never seen this one, but this is the Tree Hut Blue Lagoon. I mean Sugar Scrub. They both smell really good. I really went in there just to get scrubs because I had a gift card. So, but that was all I have for this video, for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me because I haven't vlogged in a long time and I haven't had like a vlog like this where we can like, you know, chat it up and we can go do stuff together. And it was just my day off and I was just like, why not? I have stuff I need to do. I need to get them done because since like UPS and all that stuff is so far, like I often forget to return stuff. So like I'm kind of just stuck with it because it's so far. And when I get out of work, I get tired, especially depending on the day. And then like everybody's just out. So if you go like during the day where everybody's at work, and you can get stuff done quicker. So yeah, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
No time,
She like them boy with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old rain.